Police have dismantled a major drug trafficking syndicate operating in Sibu for nearly a decade, seizing drugs and assets totaling 8.5 million ringgit. This is the largest in Sarawak's history. 2 suspects, a 52-year-old man and a 44-year-old woman, believed to be the masterminds, were arrested during the raids. Sarawak Police Commissioner Datuk Mancha Atta said on Monday the raids were conducted on June 12th and 13th at 3 locations, a shop lot in Pusat Pedada and 2 terrace houses in Lorong Permai Jaya, following intelligence gathered on the syndicate's activities.
Penangkapan suspek telah membawa kepada penemuan dadah yang bernilai 532,934 ringgit Malaysia, iaitu 7,000.0 gram dadah jenis sabu, 2,000.0 gram ketamin, dan 2,000.0 gram pil iramin 5. Dadah yang dirampas ini boleh digunakan selama 49,702 orang penagih dadah. Harta yang disita daripada sindikat ini dianggarkan bernilai 7.9 juta ringgit Malaysia. Terdiri daripada wang tunai berjumlah 5.1 juta, 4 keping jukung emas, 2 utas rantai emas, 3 utas jam tangan berjama Rolex, sebuah kereta Lexus RX 350F Sport, sebuah kereta Lexus ES 250 dan sebuah kereta jenis Vios.
Initial investigations revealed that the duo had been running the operation since 2015, obtaining drug supplies from peninsular Malaysia via courier services and distributing them in Sibu. The suspects have been remanded till June 20th to assist with investigations. Mancha adds, police are actively pursuing other syndicate members still at large to completely dismantle the network.